What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is day 22 of my Vlogtober. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, I'm gonna go hang out with my friends. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. I just got out of the shower. Today, let me put the sound down on this radio. Today, I'm doing a get ready with me. I'm hanging out with my friends tonight. And I already put my wig on, I already showered, did my skincare and everything. So all that's, well, not all that's left to do, but I gotta do my makeup and I gotta fix this wig. This wig is from I Envy Hair, and I think it's from AliExpress, I think. When I first got it, I didn't really care for the color, but now, like, I'm really feeling color. I know I posted like a clip of when I first installed it in my head on my shorts, and like, there's always gonna be haters. Like, you can't be mad at your whole life. Like, grow up. Alright, so I'm usually a glueless person. I use adhesive sprays, so this is what I'm using. This is the Eben Wonder Lace Bond. I've just laid down my edges. I don't know what y'all call it, but I'm gonna go ahead and start getting my makeup done because I don't even know what the time is, but I know I am pressed. It's 6:36. I gotta hurry. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, so I am back. I straightened my hair. Let me go ahead and
dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, fix things.
Alright, so this is semi the final look. So I'm trying to see what I'm gonna wear. Let me show you. So I have these options. So I have these is long straight leg with this bodysuit. I have this brown bodysuit with some black jeans, and I have these blue jeans with this crop top long sleeve. And it's gonna be a little chilly, not too bad, but we're gonna be semi by the water, so it's probably gonna be windy. So I'm not sure what to wear just yet, and I gotta hurry up. It's 7:05. So it's 7:05. Let me see if my friend texts me. Alright, let me go ahead and get dressed and figure everything out later. Let me wash my hand. I decided to wear the straight leg jeans with this crop top. Let's get dressed. Alright, so this is actually one of the bras that HSIA sent me. I'm going to do a full try on haul tomorrow. I was supposed to do it today, but I was pressed for time. I ran out of time, really. So, yeah, it's so nice. It fits good. Lord. I was like, start sucking it in. It look like. You know, it's crazy. It loosens up later. Alright, so this is how I put on my shirts without getting them dirty. Ta-da! Oh well, it's just extra skin. So, hey, so this is like perfect fall. And in the bag, I'm gonna wear. I'll probably wear my Coach bag, which is downstairs. Okay, so I'm thinking of bringing some extra pants just in case. But jewelry I'll be wearing is this Michael Kors watch and my Pandora bracelet that my husband bought me, as well as these earrings that I got from Shein. I get rights to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Alright, so bracelet and my watch is on. I was thinking of wearing a necklace. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my necklace. I have to call my husband. Babe! Babe! Can you come put my necklace on? You remember this? Remember this?
Yeah.
Like my hair?
Beautiful. Looking good. I like that.
Necklaces on. Put more deodorant. Alright, and the perfume I'll be wearing. This is, I haven't worn this perfume yet, so I'm gonna wear it tonight. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm gonna pair it with just like a vanilla brown sugar scent. I have not put on lip gloss, anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, now I'm gonna put some gloss on when I go down the stairs. Shoes, I need shoes. Alright, so I'm just gonna wear some brown sandals. Alright, y'all. This is how we're looking. You guys like this hair color? Let me know down in the comments if you like this hair color. I'm thinking if I should continue trying color.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on.
I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Give this video a thumbs up and thank you guys so much for the support. I hit 715 subscribers and I may be more by the time I post this, but thank you guys so much for the support. Let me see if my friend texted me. She has not, so I have a good time. I have enough time. I need more sneakers because I feel like with the sandals, it's like rocking sandals is, I don't know. I'm trying to see if there's anything else other than heels. There isn't. I'm gonna do a haul of all the heels I have because y'all need to see the mess I have in here. Anyway, again, I'm wearing a brown bag, so I'll post a picture of how I look at the end.
Give me a really good feeling. Oh, yeah, your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Alright, so I'm back home and oh, y'all need to see that. I'm back home and I had a great time with my girls. It's always a vibe with my girls. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go to sleep and I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Trying to